This is one of my favorite quotes because it shows you exactly why you don't have your manifestation. And so the quote is, where your attention goes, your energy flows. Now, let me explain why this shows you exactly why you don't have your manifestation. So your attention is like a watering bucket and your mind is like a garden. And so what you want would be, let's say, roses. So you plant roses, right? But what also comes up is weeds, and the weeds are what you don't want to happen. And so your manifestation is the roses, the weeds are what you don't want to happen. So many times what happens is we plant our manifestation, we decide what we want, but then with our attention, the watering bucket, we end up watering the weeds. And you keep asking yourself, why do I get more of what I don't want instead of what I do? That's because you're watering the weeds and not the roses. And so what this looks like is you're doing your manifestation routine, and then you gotta have your manifestation routine, and for all the other hours of the day, you're doomsdaying your future case scenario. You're seeing exactly what you don't want. For example, you decide, you're gonna get a new car, and then you think of yourself, not being able to drive to work, or that you don't have a car, or all the things that can go wrong for the rest of the day. And so even though you manifested in that morning and decided what you wanted for the rest of the day, you're watering the weeds and deciding like, this is what's gonna happen. So the weeds are getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Those are your doomsday future scenarios. And so what you wanna do is get rid of the what could happen if this doesn't work out and only stay in the what will happen when this works out. That's watering the freaking roses. And so where your attention goes, your energy flows. So remember that whatever you're giving attention to in your mind is what you are watering. And so if you want your manifestation, keep watering that it already happened, that it's already here, and keep plucking out the weeds and stop watering them. All you have to do is ask yourself, am I focusing on the outcome that I don't want, or am I focusing on the outcome that I do want? And if you're focusing on the outcome that you do want, then keep focusing on that as if it already happened. So as always, don't just like or save this video, but actually implement it. Ask me any questions below and follow me for more.